very good morning from Antalya, Turkey. Yesterday evening we arrived to this beautiful hotel 1207. It is in a city center. Everything is walking distance. So yeah, it's 3-star hotel. I will show you around. I did not record yesterday evening because it was dark, etc. So yeah, let's check it. As you can see, they have lots of rewards. 9.1 on booking. There is actually two parts of the hotel. So here is one building, and over here is main building with reception, and nice room with one double bed and single bed, so for 3 people. Small TV, but I think it's enough. Air condition and lovely wardrobe. Is there something inside? Hangers. Yeah. Oh yeah, you have a safe and a fridge with water. Also there are some slippers, 3 pairs of slippers. You have complimentary coffee and tea and some toiletries, dental kit. Yeah, perfect. Check this mirror. It's night, so I'm not going to show you the view. Oh, there is probably no view anyway. And bathroom. It's small, but it's really clean and it's nice. Yeah. And they provide amenities here: shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. This is actually used and it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, all good. I did not notice that early, but all of towels or even bed pillows, they have personalized hotel instruction here. So you will see the hotel name here. It's really cute actually. Even in like some of the 5-star hotel, they don't have it. So for 3-star hotel, it's amazing. Yeah. Hello. We are checking out from 1207 Hotel here in the heart of Antalya. Our stay was amazing. Yeah, we really love it. I absolutely love the breakfast. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, one really small minus is because it is in a city center, so in morning you can hear some cars going around, and it's fine. It's not nothing like major, but if you have a room in the street side, you can hear cars in the morning. But apart from that, yeah, it's amazing. Everything is walking distance, as I mentioned. Uh, yeah, and for price wise, it was £35 per room per night for two person with breakfast. So absolutely amazing price. So yeah,